Good morning everyone. Today I will continue on the same topic, that is models. So let's start. So here are some common models like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must not, ought to, dare, etc. So student, here is the first model, that is can. When we are talking about ability, suggestion or request, then we will use their can. Okay, for example, I can play basketball. This one is the ability. Okay, second example, can you make some coffee for me? This one is a request. And third example, you can call a taxi. This one is a suggestion. Come to the second model. As you all know that could is the past form of can. Okay, when we will talking about polite, request or possibility, then we will use their could. For example, she said she could pay for you as well. This one is the past form of can. Okay, now come to the next example. Could you please lend me this book? This one is a polite request. Now come to the third example. It could be that he missed the train. This one is the possibility. Now come to the next model, that is may. So when we will talking about possibility, formal request or formal permission, then we will use their may. For example, it may rain tomorrow. This one is a possibility. Okay, now come to the next example. May I speak? This one is a formal request, or you can say that this one is a formal permission. Now come to the next model, that is the might. As you all know that might also past form of may. Okay, so when we are talking about possibility, then we will use their might. For example, he said he might change his mind. For example, here's the past form of may. Now come to the second example. Your purse might be in the living room. This one is a possibility. Now come to the next model, that is must. When we are talking about obligation or certainly that something is true, then we will use their must. For example, you must obey the law. This one is the obligation, that you should follow the rule and regulation, okay, of the law. Now come to the second example. It must be dark outside. This one is a certainly that something is true. Okay, now let's talk about the must not. Okay, you can write like this way only or this one also. Both are correct. Okay, so when we will use prohibition, then we will use their must not. Prohibition means the action of stopping something being used, especially by law. For example, you must not drive without a license. This one is a prohibition, that you not drive without a license. This is not a perfection. Now come to the second example. You must not smoke in here. So come to the next model, that is should. When we will use advice, then we will use this thing should. Okay, for example, you should eat green vegetables. This one is the advice, that you giving advice to someone. Okay, now come to the second example. You should quit smoking. Now come to the next model, that is ought to. So when we will talking about the right thing to do or advice, right advice, then we will use their ought to. For example, you ought to apologize. This one is the advice. Second example, we ought to do more exercise. This one is the right thing to do. Okay, now come to the next model, that is will. As you all know that will is a future action. Okay, when we will talking about the permission and intention, then we will use their will. For example, Tom will go there tomorrow. This one is a future action. Okay, now come to the next example. I will pick you up at around 6. This one is a promises, okay, and intention. Now come to the next model, that is would. Would also past form of will. when we are talking about the polite request or offer, then we will use their would. For example, he told me he would come. This one is a past form of will. Okay. Second example, would you please sit down? This one is a polite request. Third example, would you like to have some tea? This one is the offer. Now come to the next model. Okay, shall used with the first person to express simple future only when time is involved. For example, we shall leave for Kolkata this evening. This one is the time. Okay, this evening is the time. Okay, so here is the time involved here. Okay. Second, use questions and suggestion for I and we. For example, let's continue, shall we? Okay. Now last model is dare. Dare express the meaning, be bold enough to. Okay. For example, how dare you speak to me like that? This one is the example of dare. Okay, it shows the boldness, it shows the bold. Okay, so with this we come to end of this lesson, and I hope that you all understood the models. Thank you.